Lesson 5. Describing things in facts. Facts. درس پنجم. تشریح یا توضیح اشیا. حقایق. Colors or colors. The US or American English is the spelling of color is C-O-L-O-R-S, but the British is C-O-L-O-U-R-S. This is the difference. Spelling color در امریکایی C-O-L-O-R-S، اما در بریتانیایی C-O-L-O-U-R-S. Red, red. Yellow, yellow. Green, green. Dark green, dark green, dark green. Pale green, pale green. Blue, blue. Purple, purple. Pink, pink. White, white. Gray, gray, gray. In American, the spelling is G-R-A-Y, but British G-R-E-Y. Gray. Black, black. Brown, brown. Orange, orange. Cream, cream. And navy blue, navy blue. Remember, this cream is the color of cream, right? Cream شكل creamy است، رنگ creamy. And navy blue is آبی. Materials, jeans or أجناس. Plastic, plastic. Plastic is plastic. Wood, wood, wood. چوب. Pepper, pepper. کاغذ. Pepper. Wool, wool. Wool is نخ. Leather, leather, leather. چرم. Leather. Metal, metal. آهن. Glass, glass. شیشه. Fabric, fabric, fabric. تکه. Denim, denim. کتان. Silk, silk. ابریشم. Adjectives, adjectives. صفتها. Big, big. بزرگ. Small or little is کوچک. Small or little. کوچک. Wide, wide. بردار. Narrow, narrow. کمبر. Deep, deep. چقر. عمیق. shallow, shallow. کم عمق، چیزی که زیاد چقر نباشه. light, light. سبک. heavy, heavy. وزمین یا گرنگ. high, high. بلند. low, low. پایین. low. clean, clean. پاک یا صاف. dirty, dirty. کثیف. hot, hot. گرم یا داغ. cold, cold. سرد. cold. long, long. دراز. short, short. کوتاه. thick, thick. دبل. thin, thin. لاغر. quiet, quiet. آرام. loud, loud. بلند یا سر و صدا. بلند. sharp, sharp. تیز. sharp. تیز. tight, tight. محکم. loose, loose. گشاده. near, near. نزدیک. far, far. دور. Thank you very much. It was the 5th lesson, and please continue watching the 6th video to improve your